Hey guys, Mike here, and today we are in the kitchen.
For our first installment of In the Kitchen with Montreal Mike, we're going to keep it real simple. Remember back when you were a kid and you just loved taking a nice loaf of bread, putting some butter on it, and having it with jam or marmalade? Well, lately I've really been wanting to have that. And luckily, I've got this awesome marmalade. I actually met Hiroshi and Chiaki, a very nice Japanese couple that lives here in Montreal. I met them about a year ago. You know them from our Yatai video. And they make some really awesome products, including this marmalade, which comes right from Japan. So they make it in Japan, and it's got pomelo, lemon, and grapefruit, as well as some brown sugar. It's a nice, slightly bitter marmalade, but I find that the taste is very unique, and I've been wanting to try it with some butter on some bread. And yeah, so this is what we're making today. Because it's a uh, very simple recipe, we're gonna try to have some really nice ingredients. So we have a nice loaf of bread here from Première Moisson. I got some nice grass-fed New Zealand butter that we're going to just slightly soften up. And then we're going to try this delicious snack. So I've gone ahead and toasted the bread, and the butter is now softened. Before we dig in, I just want to try the marmalade on its own. So it smells nice. It's got a pretty intense smell. You get some of that bitterness. It's quite a dark color. Yeah, yeah, definitely. You're getting that bitterness of a really a true marmalade. It's got a bit of that sweetness, but I think it's going to pair well with the unsalted butter and the toasted bread. So let's go ahead and plate this elaborate first recipe. Butter our country style loaf here. This is my breakfast, so I'm gonna go with 2 pieces. I think that in the past in Quebec, it wasn't easy to find grass-fed butter, but we seem to now be importing grass-fed butter even from outside. So this is a Kiwi grass-fed butter, so from New Zealand. So when I saw that at my local IGA, I decided to get it, and it's pretty nice. This is an unsalted butter. All right, so buttered our bread, and now let's go and put some marmalade on there. As you can see, it's pretty thick. This is not a sponsored video, but if you do want to try this delicious marmalade, I'll put down the link below for Hiroshi's and Chiaki's business, and you can order it from them. All right. So now that it's all ready, check this out. Looks quite nice. Let's try it. Nice country loaf with grass-fed butter and Japanese homemade citrus marmalade. Itadakimasu. Mm. Very nice. Crunchy bread. You got a bit of that tartness and bitterness from the marmalade. You have that softness, that somewhat fatty mouthfeel from the butter, slight sweetness from it. Honestly, really balances itself out. Great breakfast option. I haven't had buttered toast with marmalade in ages. This really takes me back. Delicious. Hope you enjoyed this first installment of In the Kitchen with Montreal Mike. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if you want me doing some of your favorite recipes. And until next time, ciao.